Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Trello's Card Status Power-Up, your full 2025 guide. This power-up is a game changer, allowing you to track the progress on any card in Trello, so let's get started. First up, you'll want to enable the power-up. Now navigate to your Trello board and click on the Show Menu button on the right-hand side. Select Power-Ups, then find and enable Card Status. The reason we do this is to activate the feature that allows us to track and display our progress directly on the cards. Now that we've done that, it's time for the fun part, setting up your card status. Click on any card, you'll find a new button labeled Card Status. Click on it, and a drop-down menu appears with options like Not Started, In Progress, Stuck, and Done. These statuses help you get a bird's-eye view of where every task stands, aiding in project management and team communication. Next up, it's all about customization. You can set up your own statuses by going back to the Power-Ups menu, selecting Card Status, and then Settings. Here, you can add, edit, or delete statuses to fit your workflow. This helps us because it makes the tool truly adaptable to your specific needs. Let me explain why this matters. The Card Status Power-Up turns Trello into a dynamic project management tool, giving you real-time updates on the progress of your tasks. No more guessing or constant updates needed. It's all visually represented for you. Remember, the key to mastering this power-up is routine use and customization to your workflow. Be sure to adjust your statuses as needed to keep them relevant and useful. And that's it. You are now equipped to use Trello's Card Status Power-Up like a pro. Go forth and achieve project management greatness. Until next time, happy organizing.